Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about a chocolate that I tried recently that I loved. I am a huge chocolate lover, and I was actually at the store with my husband, and they had like a chocolate, like an aisle shelf with a bunch of chocolates on it, and I was reading through them, and I'm like, ooh, Godiva. Of course, I love Godiva. Like, we can't even walk past the store in the mall because I'm like, I want everything. It smells so good. Everything in there looks good, and it's very tempting. So, Godiva they make Belgian chocolates. They started in Belgium in 1926. These are the masterpieces, Dark Chocolate Ganache Hearts. They are dark chocolate with velvety dark chocolate filling. Of course, they're enlarged to show detail on the cover. The size on this container is 4.9 ounces. These are delicious. Godiva, I think, is like better than like the regular gimmicky chocolates, although like I still love Reese's and Milky Way and stuff like that, but I think that this Godiva is like a little bit more the higher end scale. Of course, do not purchase if open or torn. To ensure product quality, please keep this package stored in a cool place or at or below 65 degrees Fahrenheit. And Godiva, all rights reserved. Godiva.com is their website. So, Godiva Masterpieces. Introducing Godiva Masterpieces, Godiva's most exquisite chocolates now available in delightfully individually wrapped mini chocolates, perfect to enjoy anytime. Each masterpiece is crafted in the shape of a signature chocolate and filled with smooth and creamy fillings that melt your mouth. Godiva's Dark Chocolate Ganache Heart is inspired by Godiva's most beloved chocolate, the heart-shaped coeur iconique, a bold dark chocolate heart with the luxurious velvety chocolate ganache filling. Ingredients listed here: sugar, unsweetened chocolate processed with alkali, cocoa butter, palm oil, palm kernel oil, butter oil, milk, milk powder, skim milk, emulsifier, soy lectin, natural flavor, and may contain tree nuts. And under here that says Godiva Chocolatier Incorporated, New York, New York, USA. That must be where distributor is found. So nutrition facts are listed here. Serving size is 5 pieces, 43 grams. Servings per container about 3.5. Calories 230. Calories from fat 160. Total fat is 17 grams. Saturated fat is 11 grams. Trans fat 0 grams. Cholesterol greater than 5 milligrams. Sodium 50 milligrams. Total carbohydrates 22 grams. Dietary fiber 3 grams. Sugar 17 grams. Protein 2 grams. Vitamin A 0%. Calcium 2%. Vitamin C 0%. And iron 10%. So I think the bag is really nice. What I like about this product too is that, you could give this to someone as a gift. Like, for a woman, or guys love chocolate too. I mean, trust me, my husband's been eating these chocolates since we bought them, but it makes a nice gift. Like, I would give this to my friend with like a nice bottle of wine and candle or something cute like that. It makes a great birthday or housewarming gift for a woman or a man. Really, really nice. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the inside. So they are individually wrapped. And on the front, it says Godiva Masterpieces in the pretty brown wrapping with the chocolate heart in the center so you guys can see what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and open it. And of course, I'm going to end up eating one now because they're in front of me and they're so good. Okay. So here's what the cute little heart looks like. Small, adorable. Taking a bite of it. Oh my god, it's so good. I'm such a chocolate person. Inside is so delicious. It's so creamy. Dark chocolate's supposed to be better for you than milk chocolate. So maybe that'll make you feel better about eating it. At least that's what I try to tell myself. But oh my goodness, it's so delicious. Great to treat yourself with, like after dinner or whatever the case is. I bet you can't eat just one though because they're so delicious. So these are Godiva Masterpieces Dark Chocolate Ganache Hearts. I hope you guys pick some up, and I know you're going to love them. They're so tasty. Thanks for watching.